Now let's take a look at a scenario where we want to visualize the small world data of a utility provider. One such scenario is visualizing the outages and collection centers of the utility provider. So let's now select the outages, and you have two options: planned and shutdown outages. I can either I'll select the planned outages, and it asks me to go through a zone search, and I'll enter a zone, and as soon as I hit the search button, the data which is available as a service is queried and displayed on the map. As you can see, I've grouped all these points and placed a single marker on the map. So this would eliminate the mess of having too many points too close. So so um, so I can zoom into a place of marker, thus dispersing the individual points, or I can just click on the marker, which would take me to the points where they are dispersed. So each blue point is an individual point, and when I click on the individual point, the pop-up displays whatever the information the utility provider requires. So here I've displayed the start time and end time of the planned outage for that particular planned outage. So um, as you can see, the other point also shows the start time and end time of that particular outage. So now let's take a look at the shutdown outages. The same as the planned outages, you search for a zone, the data will be queried and displayed on the map. As you can see here, I have 10 points grouped together, and when I click on them, they'll be shown as dispersed points, and this shows that these 3 points are grouped again, these 2 points are grouped again, these 3 points are grouped again, and these two are single points. And when I click on each point, and it shows the start time and end time of that particular shutdown outage. And same here. So you can either further zoom in so that all the points are shown as individual points. So let's take a look at the collection centers. So the same as the outages, I'll search for a zone, and as you can see, I have 115 points in this zone. So if I've marked all those 115 points, it would have looked messy. So that's why we are using the clustering plugin, um, that would replace all those points with a single marker displaying the total number of markers um, on the map. So I'll click on the marker, and so each blue point is an individual point, and here, since it is a collection center, the pop-up text contains the address of the collection center. So again, what should be displayed on the pop-up is up to the utility providers um, requirements, and as long as they have the data, they can display it as a pop-up. So this scenario visualizes the small world data and gives a better understanding to the utility provider about the data in their hand. So thank you.